Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Syntax Adda. My name is Ravi Ranjan and today I'm going to cover our next topic in this series, that is installing IDE. So before starting this, um, in the previous video we saw, right, we covered installation of JDK, right? So JDK, why we installed? So that it can provide you the uh, kind of environment where you can write your Java code, right? And then you can compile it to bytecode. That was the main motive, right? So based on the operating system, you install JDK and then you start writing your code, right? And this code, then we can execute it further under the uh, JR environment and on platform JVM, right? That was the thing. So this is JVM, right? And this JR. Now, once you install JDK in your operating system, you can you can start writing your code, right? You can take help of any editor, like even in Notepad you can write the class file means, let's say the name of your file, Java file is .java, and you can write your code following the syntax of the Java language, and you can compile, right? But when you write in the normal text editor, right, for simple code it's fine, but when it comes to the complex code, or when you have lot of logics and package management, everything, then in that case you will feel this notepad is not a good, right? So in that case we need some interactive tool, right? You need some tool which can provide you the features while writing the program. uh, uh, you want to get some suggestion regarding syntax, or if you are doing some mistake, you want to get some kind of help or assistance, right? So this is kind of interactive code writing, program writing where you want to do, right? So in that case you will need some IDE, right? So IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. So this is your integrated development environment. So we have lot of IDEs available in the market, right? So we have Eclipse, okay. We have IntelliJ IDE, so that's the name, and others we have. So in this series, I'm going to talk about this IntelliJ IDE. So if you are using other IDE already, then you can proceed with that. But in this course, I'm going to cover IntelliJ IDE. So what is this IntelliJ IDE, right? So this is nothing but your SDK. We can say SDK. SDK is another term here. So it's nothing but your software development kit. So it's a software development kit. Okay. Or we can say it's IDE, integrated development environment, right? Which is going to provide you integrated development environment where you can write your code, right, with some assistance. Okay, so let's see how we are going to install this IDE in this section. So let's see that in the action. So I will go to Chrome browser and I will type in jetbrains.com. So once you land up in this page, you will see there is a developer tool. Okay, just click on that, and here you see IntelliJ IDE, right? So just click on this, go down, there is download section. You'll see here, this is the download. Just click on this. So based on the operating system which you are using, right, whether you are using Windows, Mac OS or Linux, you can go ahead and you can download. So since I am using a Windows operating system, I am going to install this. So if you see here, this is your only free 30-day trial version. So I'm not going to use this. Let's go and download this community edition. So here also again, yeah, there is a different ways you can download it, either by installing it, or you can just download it by by downloading the archive.zip. You can just download it and unzip it in any location in your operating system, right? So I will go with this installer. I will start downloading since I have already installed it, just to save our time. So if you see, this is already installed. So I will go to that location, download. So it's installed here. I will just double click, and as you know, installation is very difficult task, right? Just click next, 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 and okay. So joke apart. So uh, let's see once it's launched. Okay. So once you double click on it, we are getting one pop-up window. Just click on next, right? If you want to change this location, that's fine. Otherwise, you can go ahead with the default one. Next. Okay. So if you want to create the desktop shortcut, so that also you can do. Just click on this. Next. Just go with this default configuration and then stop. We'll wait. It's downloading and installing the IDE our system. If you want to see the details, you can see what it's exactly doing. So this is installed now. Okay. And we'll just click on finish. So if you go to your desktop, you should be able to see this icon. Okay. So we can launch this. So installation of this IDE, IntelliJ IDE is done. So in the next video, we'll cover how we can configure this IntelliJ so that we can start writing our Java code. So that's all in this video. Please like my video uh, and share it with people who are interested to learn Java, and also subscribe my channel for further notification. Thank you all.